Hi guys.
Good morning.
Good morning everybody. So today we're here up with Tyler to start the vlog.
Regarde, on dirait le maillot de football et le pantalon de football et les chaussettes de football.
Oh, you want to play football today?
Yes.
Okay. So you're gonna start the vlog today? What you have to do? What you have to say?
I need to say
Don't show your body.
no, not that.
Hi guys, good morning everybody. It's up early morning. Tyler is always up early morning. Before I even go to work, I have to make his breakfast. I can't wait just before to go to work to make his breakfast. I have to, when I get up, to make it because he's supposed to wake up anytime. He's a early boy. It doesn't matter what time he sleep. He gone to sleep in the evening. He always wake up very early, between 6 and 7. Actually, it's just after 7. Tyler is up having his breakfast. He almost finished his breakfast. You finish your breakfast?
No.
What you having for breakfast?
Bientôt.
You having tea? You having chocolate tea every morning?
Yes.
You like chocolate tea?
Yes.
That's your favorite breakfast?
Yes.
And what
And
kind
I
of...
want to say something to face.
Yeah, but you have to sit properly because they can't see you.
And I wanted to say that if I do football today, guess what? Surprise.
It's gonna be a surprise.
I'm going to tell you.
Okay. So you're gonna tell them later?
No, not later now.
Okay, what you gonna tell them?
My surprise.
What is your surprise?
My surprise is my friend's going to see my club.
Your friend going to see you?
My glove.
Your glove?
Yes, and they're going to be so excited.
Okay, you like your glove?
Yeah.
What you like about your glove?
That you know, Papa. You know, Papa. You know.
I'm gonna leave this little character and I have to get ready to go to work.
Papa.
Enjoy to the vlog. I'll see you guys
Papa.
today. Have a good day.
Papa, you know. Canada, if it's written on it.
You like Canada?
Yeah.
And you know where's Jamaica?
No, I don't know.
You don't know where's Jamaica? And you know where's Grandma live?
Gamalil?
Grandma, English grandma. You know where she live?
No.
And you know where's France?
Yes.
Okay. So what else you know?
I know.
Alright guys, you have one day to,
Montreal
you know more, yeah. You have one day to
and
learn
Quebec
some things else than Canada.
and
Have a good day.
Quebec and
Say good morning. Look up. Good morning.
good morning, Mama.
Ty watching Peppa Pig. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I just finished getting my workout in. Sarah gave me 30 minutes sleep and then 20 minutes up in her chair. And I will take every last beautiful second. I ran 30 full minutes and there she was waking up, and I decided that I am not stopping. I'm gonna pick her up out of her bed and put her right in her chair, and she stay there until she start getting whiny because it's her lunch time. So I finished just in time for her lunchtime and Tyler's lunchtime. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give everybody lunch and then get everybody all fresh to continue on with your day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Baby's off to work. I am feeling really good because I got my workout in, and then it's just cruise control for the rest of the day. Work, 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 and more work and stuff to do around the house. Anyway, you guys, love you guys. Catch up and keep up. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Stop what you're doing, pause the video, thumbs it up, and then continue watching. Comment down below which part of today's vlog is your favorite. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys along today. Here is Sarah. Say hello. Say hello. Look up, 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 mama. Up here, up here. Good morning. And Tyler is laying down in the couch watching Peppa Pig. Let's see if you guys can see him before the battery finish. Where is he? Where is he?
Mama.
There he is. Yes, Tyler. Say morning to the faves.
Morning, faves. Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
When you was talking, I didn't hear the TV.
That's okay. You ready for lunch? Yes. You don't have a choice. Oh, it feels so good to be fresh, you guys. My babies are all fed. Tyler is just finishing up. He takes forever to eat at all times. Tyler is finishing up his lunch. Sarah finished her lunch and got fresh. Look at her. Hi. Hi. Hello. You're coming. I just made lunch for myself, and this is what lunch looks like today. Doesn't that look so good? That looks so good. So that's the jerk chicken I made last night with avocado, corn, and lettuce. That's all I feel for. So I have lunch today. Look at her coming. Look at my kids under the table. Sarah, why are you under the table? Princess, why are you under the table? Huh? Mama? Sarah?
I think that like that.
Is your brother protecting your head top? Sarah? It's alright, Tyler. Leave her. Leave her tie.
But you will hurt her head.
No, she won't hurt her head. It's okay. You're a nice big brother.
Mama, can I go for some toys of Sarah?
Éveiller l'éléphant à sa bruyère, se ficher à son hibou et réveiller vite à sa carotte. Monsieur Zebra regarde la télévision. C'est mieux. Je regarde la télévision. C'est un peu ennuyeux.
No, 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 no. Gak, 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 gak. Gak, 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 gak. Gak, 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 gak. Gak, 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 gak.
It's time for me to cook. It's time for me to make dinner in the kitchen. Hey! Screamer, stop the noise. She always ready to scream when I have things to do. Only Sarah. Sarah, no! 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 Sarah? No! You want me to put you in a chair? I'm gonna put you in a chair. I had to go and put Little Miss in a chair because she won't let me be great. And I got stuff to do around here. I gotta make dinner because baby's home. However, baby's off to work out. So I need to get dinner ready. And for dinner today, I am making broccoli as vegetables, sweet potato for the starch, and minced beef. However, I think I'm gonna make some tortilla cups to go with the minced beef for me and babe. And let's tell her have the sweet potato. Let's see how that goes. That's why I'm cooking these broccolis. The broccolis are not really for me and babe, for more for Tyler. Finish up cooking and get with babe program right now.
Let's go and do some football.
You can go and do football around the back, Papa around there working out.
Mama, look, I'm very pretty like that.
Yes, you are very pretty. You want the face to see you?
Yes.
Hold on, let me show face you. There you are in your football page. Sarah, stop the screaming. This good girl can't scream. Things that I made for dinner today: sweet potato, mince, broccoli, filling for the tortilla. And my job here is done. Done. Now let's go check on babe working out. He should be running his fat butt off. How will I listen to, man? Say for yourself, how was workout?
Drink a lot of water and you feel better.
Alright, that's all. I'm proud of you today's session.
That was hard.
You did very well.
That's all about, especially track and all of these sports. They call like delay pleasure. It's like you take pleasure after you're satisfied when you finish. When you're doing it, it's hard. You don't want to do it before.
I'm proud of you I'm proud of you for not limiting yourself. Like I keep telling you, stop limiting yourself.
Now.
Goodbye. Goodbye. You have a massage machine inside. Oh, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog as one kid is in bed. Where's the other kid? Where's the other kid? Me hear him go, Kid, come here. Come tell face night. It's been a minute.
Night.
That's all?
Hello?
Night. Mama, I think we forget something a long time.
What?
Jamaican expression.
That's what we're gonna give them now.
You want to know what is the French expression?
Yes, I'm going to tell you today.
Malin comme un singe.
I know what that means.
What does that mean?
That means that means we are naughty like a monkey.
What is like a monkey? Malin comme un singe means smart like a monkey.
Okay.
So I don't know why is a monkey smart. I think so because they say it's one of the smartest animal. and this is the closest one to the human being. So maybe that's why they say smart like a monkey.
Malin comme un singe. I don't remember what they always say, smart like what in English, but the Jamaican expression for today, Tyler, is chaka chaka.
Chaka chaka.
It's chaka.
I don't know what that means.
Chaka chaka.
Yes, Tyler, what do you think? Chaka. Say chaka chaka.
Chaka
Chaka
chaka.
chaka.
What do you?
Chaka chaka. Whoa.
No.
I know
That's
what
not what Shakira
that
said. What do you think chaka chaka means? Tyler, what do you think chaka chaka means?
I think that means catch these.
Catch this. What do you think chaka chaka means?
Chaka chaka, I think is like, it means wrong things, like you're doing wrong thing. Chaka chaka.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna use it in a Jamaican patois sentence. If mama said to you, Tyler, how you look chaka chaka so? if I said, yeah, baby, you look chaka chaka so.
I don't look good at all.
Or if I come in, Tyler,
Like
if
my
mama
clothes out of my pants. I look.
if mama come in your room and say, Tyler, why your room looks so chaka chaka? What does that mean?
That means you need to pack your room now. And don't wait.
Back my room.
That means
And
your
then
room
if
is very disorganized.
Nice.
Disorganized. So chaka chaka means to be disorganized.
And
So
you
you're
are
a chaka
in your
chaka
room
woman?
and I come
Yeah.
with your
No, you're chaka chaka.
And in your room and I say, Mama, what's the background the chaka chaka?
You're gonna come in my bedroom and ask me why my bedroom looks so chaka chaka?
Yeah, Mama, look.
Get down! Jesus
Mama,
Christ.
I'm going to
Alright, tell us night night. It's time to go.
Tonight.
Go.
And I want to say something.
What you want to say?
The-
You don't think
and
you've said
the-
enough?
And the Rusi expression.
The what?
Rusi.
Rusi?
Yes.
What Rusi?
Russian,
Russian?
Russian expression.
Yes.
What is
Coca-Cola.
what we're gonna do is
Sit.
we'll see. If somebody wants him, just put a
Put a
price.
coffee.
Put a price on it. Make,
Y'all need to come and get
make
Tyler.
Make a beat.
I can't take this kid anymore. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, be sure you subscribe. Stop what you're doing right now and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.